Hi, this is Mark with Right Line Trading, and I wanted to go over today's trades. Today is March 24th, 2015, and we're rolling forward. We had a little bit, you know, what I characterize as a rugged day, I think are other people's great days. But anyway, our first trade on gold was this move down. Let me make the chart bigger so it's easy to see on the video. We had this move down, retracement, fire down for 24 ticks. That was our first trade. And you see we had the sideways movement into the modified 15. Gave us a great trade of 24. Now this is one trade I probably should have taken right here. I was just a little hesitant because of this pivot, and it broke it and went right down for 23. Now, then this was a structural trade. I had this engulfing candle overrun another engulfing candle to the upside, and it went for 10 ticks, but because we didn't get a wick or a pullback, I didn't book the trade or count the trade as a win. So this was a 10-tick winner with no pullback. And this was a little bit of an aggressive trade, but it worked great. It worked really, really well. In fact, so well, we didn't even get a pullback on the trade. And then here at the end of the trading session, we had a move up, retracement, and gold, I figured gold might push up higher. It really didn't. I only took it with one contract, and we took a 2-tick loss. So it was just a scratch loss. Now, the only trade that I really lament for the day not taking was that one that I showed you on gold. Now, we had a very choppy market today, and there's a lot of opportunities to get stopped out, and we really did avoid them all, except for one. Then on crude oil, nice price movement here. Now this was just an aggressive long. This was way off the 15, 8 ticks, almost a full candle. And there's always the concern that this is going to come right back to support. On the right edge, I just elected to stay away from this trade. And you can see how well it did. We just didn't have anything to the short side here until right here. Move up, retracement, and we've got 34 ticks. So we had a big move on gold for 24, big move on crude oil for 34. Now this is after the room closed, so we're done. That was a little bit of a rugged trade, but if you took it, it was a huge trade. Natural gas, there just wasn't anything. There were people in the room, in the trading room, who were yelling for me to take this trade on natural gas. I'll show it to you. I just didn't take it because natural gas had no volume. And I just don't like to take a trade in a very, very low volume environment. Let me move our trades how we did today over here. Now there's really nothing. Here is the trade, the move up, the retracement, and up for 16. It was the only trade of the morning. And I just didn't take it just simply because I didn't think there was enough energy or volume to push this trade. And boom, it goes for 8. It goes, of course, for 16 ticks. What I'm not showing you are all the potential losers, all the fake outs. and we had great trades. And when I critique my trades, I look at all the potential winners. And now this is the trade I took, was the move down, the retracement. Now this pivot had been hit multiple times, and I just was hit here, was hit here, hit here, and I just figured it was going to break, and it just did not break. It turned the market around, and I lost 6 ticks. Then we had this nice sideways movement into the 15. This is what we look for all the time, and I just didn't see it. Got to really be staring and concentrating, and I just got 5 markets, and there just was no way to grab that trade. Then on the ES, there was nothing, absolutely nothing to trade. Flatter than a pancake. So for the day, we did well. Now we had 4 trades, 2 winners and 2 losers, but one of those losers was on 1 contract and only 2 ticks. And then we had that big winner with no pullback. So on Crew we had 34 ticks, and I closed it way too early. That was a $500 trade. If I would have just let it run and wait for a reversal candle, I took 1 off at 6 and 2 off at 8. On the gold trade, at 24 ticks, 1 at 6, 1 at 11, 1 at 16. Then I had that 1 contract loss, that was just 20 bucks. Then I had that 10 tick trade with no pullback. We will not book. And then I had the 1 loser. It was a perfect trade. 3 contracts minus 6. So I made 50 ticks. Net equity was $350 for today. Auto Trader had no trades. Yesterday and today combined, we're up about $860 or $70. We're well on our way to making our $1,000 week to hit our $50,000 a year target. And we're just rolling forward really well. So let me give you the info about coming into the room. We'd really like to see you on a trial. So sign up for a free trial to our live trading room. You go to www.rightlinetrading.com. There you'll see a link to our daily net equity in the trading room. Our daily net equity for both the ES Auto Trader, separate link for the daily net equity for the Russell Gold and Crude Oil Auto Trader. A link to sign up for our free trial, and also a link for a Contact Us page. You can email us directly at info@rightlinetrading.com or call us at 1-855-765-6681. We're really doing great. I think we have one of the best systems available, and we really are trading room friendly. What we're looking to do is to only book trades that our traders in the room have an extremely high probability of achieving. That's why I had this trade on gold that went 10 ticks, but without a retracement, 1 tick pullback. It was unlikely that anybody got it. We didn't book it as a winner. And you're not going to see another trading room like that, I can tell you. So listen, have a great day, and I look forward to seeing everybody in the trading room tomorrow. Take care.